This video belongs to the subject Installations of Energy Supply and Automation. The objective is to define the fundamentals of the power calculation in boilers and the basic methodology for the estimation of fuel consumption, both with conventional fuels and with biomass. Some useful methodologies are included for projects and scientific papers. Boilers are the key technology in the energy efficiency of thermal processes. Within the subject, we provide you with documentation on the types of boilers and their advantages and disadvantages. The power of the boiler is calculated with the maximum demand, or the demand at the most unfavorable moment. In boilers of medium power, from the range of 100 to 1000 kilowatts, or large, of the range of more than 1000 kilowatts, it is usually advisable to divide the necessary power between two boilers. In hot water supply, it may be interesting to evaluate the installation of a hot water tank. The tank absorbs the peaks of demand and allows to reduce the necessary power. Without tank, the power of the boiler must be equal to the maximum heat power demanded. For heating boilers, there is a specific calculation method that depends fundamentally on the overall thermal transmission coefficient of the building, which is multiplied by the exposed surface and by the thermal difference between the inside and the outside. The calculation is performed in the coldest month, which is considered the most unfavorable moment. For a supply of any type of hot water, it is necessary to evaluate the installation of a hot water tank and make the technical decisions of the most convenient tank volume and the time necessary for the boiler to replenish the hot water. In many situations, it is important to estimate the energy consumption that the boiler will have. If the energy consumption is approximately constant through the year, it is easy to estimate the energy consumption of the boiler with any fuel, be it natural gas, diesel, biomass, or any other. For example, using biomass, it is interesting to estimate the volume of biomass that will be used in order to design the rooms or containers where the biomass will be stored. If the energy consumption is not constant, for example, in heating, specific methodologies are used. The Master team has developed a methodology for heating, published in several indexed research journals, which we will provide you in the subject. In short, this training block will allow you to know how the boilers of a facility are chosen and dimensioned. As a student of the subject, we will provide you with documentation to choose the type of boiler, design examples, and research papers from the Master's team for specific topics. The block can be made in the traditional classroom format and also online at the most convenient time for your interests.